Hey guys, let's look at module 00104 in the core curriculum. And in this part, we're going to be looking at section 3.00, grinders and oscillating multi-tools. Some trade terms you need to become familiar with. Please read over these. Grinders. It says angle grinders are very common metalworking tools, especially for welders, pipe fitters, and iron workers. Knotted wire wheels and cups are common in addition to grinding wheels. All right, so the main things with our grinders, you know, they have a lot of RPM. They spin the disc around. We need to make sure all the guards are there and in place, and make sure the handles are there in place. A die grinder and detail grinders are used for finer work, such as removing casting waste from components. And it says face shield should be worn with all grinders, and then you should wear safety glasses under that face shield. It says the maximum RPM of the grinding wheel must be greater than or equal to that of the grinder. So our grinder is going to spin at a certain RPM, and our wheel is going to be rated for certain RPMs. We got to make sure the wheel that we put on is equal to or has a higher RPM rating than the grinder. If it has a lower rating, then we got a chance of it breaking, shattering, coming apart. It says grinders can create showers of sparks. Ensure that your work area is clear of flammable materials. Keep the tool rest within 1/8 of an inch of the wheel. Perform a ring test on new grinding wheels. A ring test, when I take a new wheel, I want to get like a screwdriver, particularly with a wooden handle, and stick it through the hole and hold the wheel in the air, and take another screwdriver with a wooden handle and tap, 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 around the wheel. And a dull sound is good, but a hollow ringing sound, ting, ting, means that there's a cavity in the wheel that's open, a crack or something like that. We're not supposed to use them. All right, when it says keep the tool rest within 1/8 of an inch of the grinding wheel, that's talking about this tool rest right here. And this rest is adjustable. It's for you to have a place to lay your work on so it doesn't push down when take it out of your hand while it's grinding on it. And it's to keep you from getting down into the wheel. So as we grind with this grinder, this wheel is naturally going to get smaller and move away from this tool rest, and we should always adjust this rest to be within 1/8 of an inch of that gap. All right. It says grinding attachment accessories. Some grinders offer a vacuum port. Grinding accessories include blade guards and flaring cup guards. Diamond base guard, flaring cup guard. Remember, if they're there, they've got to be in good working order, and they've got to be on the tool. Oscillating multi-tool. It says oscillating multi-tools can perform a variety of jobs as the same result of arbors that accept many different attachment and accessories. All right. And then we'll have some review questions for this section. It says, which of these is a substance that is used to wear away material? Carbide, grinder, abrasive, or sand? We're going to say abrasive. All right. Detail grinders are also known as die grinders, end grinders, angle grinders, or bench grinders. I'm going to say die grinders. Okay. Detail grinders offer more power than an end grinder. No, that's false. All right. Blank are an excellent choice for understanding low baseboards, undercutting low baseboards, cutting small openings in drywall, or cutting pipe where there is little room for larger tools. Is that detail grinders, end grinders, burr bits, or oscillating multi-tools? That's going to be that oscillating multi-tool we just talked about. All right, then it says blank provides a stable surface for flexible discs to rest against. Adapters, guards, backing pads, or buffing pads. Those are going to be backing pads. All right, the next section will be 4.0.0 miscellaneous power tools, and I will see you over there.